Next one, the friendly dog bite. So the scenario, an unleashed golden retriever bites you on your thigh on a jogging trail in the woodlands. The owner walks off. Do you sue or not sue? Sue or not?
I guess depends. Like, I understand it's an animal. Like, you cannot control it. If I would have to like go to the doctor because it got infected or something,
But remember, this is unleashed.
oh then no, yeah, I'm suing you.
Yeah.
I'm getting my money.
You
Emotional
sue.
damage.
So I think that's the biggest indicators of whether or not they had a leash or not. So Texas leash laws apply and the dog owners are liable. So similar case happened in Texas where the court allowed recovery even for the first bite under the right facts. The outcome, they settled between $30,000 to $100,000 depending on the scarring and medical care.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Like I can understand like if you have to like go to the doctor and because you got gangrene or something like a
Such
really
a
bad
old
infection,
disease.
I don't know. Like then yeah, like you should sue because, that wasn't you.
Do you agree? Because a lot of times when that happens, sometimes the law almost requires you to put the dog down.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No. No, that's
Because
not
they
necessary.
may deem as that dog is aggressive.
No.
So they may have to put it down.
No,
That
then
happens
I
a lot like neighborhoods
I
and
think it
stuff.
depends on what kind of dog too. Like if you clearly have like a pit bull off a leash, everyone knows that dog is aggressive. I would be more mad at the person obviously than the dog. But that yeah, that dog needs to be put down if you are careless enough to just cuz that could be a child next, you know?
yeah, but it's an animal. I don't it doesn't understand. I mean, I would sue and
You can train it, especially dogs. You can train.
Mhm.
but
Yeah, if the
it's a
person is
sad
too
situation.
careless, I mean, is it going to be the child's life or a dog?
No, of course the
You
child's
know?
life. Yeah. Damn, I don't know if I would too. I wouldn't want them to
I think
put
it
the
comes
dog
down to
down.
morality too, especially if it, like, wasn't that bad of a bite. I would probably be like
Yeah,
be
if it was
I'd
just
be
a
stern
nick,
with the
then I'd be like,
person and be like, "If I
"Eh,
see this again,
you
like,
good, bro."
something's gonna happen."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like so I had a friend in high school, his dad, they had a pit bull and his
Name Princess.
n-
It's always the like the
cat's name is Prince.
the 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 cutest names of the like the most dangerous animals in the
But
world.
pit bulls are cute too.
They
I
are
like pit
cute. They
bulls.
have, like, that baby
Yeah.
face.
So anyway, so my friend's dad had a pit bull, and I guess somehow it ran off one day without a leash. Like the dog was in the house, and I guess a door didn't get closed or whatever. It ran out. Saw a little dog, and was trying to like fight it, right? So in the mix of like the dad trying to calm the pit bull, whatever, had the leash, try to get the leash on it. I guess it pulled so tight, and the leash got wrapped around his thumb. It it, like, basically, like, the
Severed it.
yeah, it severed his thumb. Not lose his complete thumb, but it basically got cut in half because of it. So, I mean, they were really close to getting the law enforcement involved because of the issue. Nothing happened to the dog, nothing happened to anybody else, but had it been somebody else that got into that, that dog would probably been gone.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So,
Damn.
yeah.
So just the skin, not the bone. Like it didn't like separate. Is what you're
I
saying.
mean, I think it's like this, basically, like knuckle up. Yeah.
That would hurt, especially with
That
those
happened to
leashes
me.
that,
Like
like, extract
not
and
to
I
that
think it's
extreme.
one of those wired ones that
Mhm.
happen, yeah.
Those are scary.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. So please put your dogs on leash. Please,
That
please,
something
please.
like that happened to me once. Like
Really?
I had my neighbor's dog and then like it was unleashed and then it came and I recognized it because it's my neighbor's dog. I'm gonna take it home or something. I was just around the block and then it like bit me on my finger and it pulled, so it dislocated it a little bit here. This finger, yeah. But I mean, I was okay.
You just put it back?
Nah, I didn't put it back myself. They put a little like thing so you don't
The
move your
stent,
finger.
yeah.
But the sad part is that I don't know, the owner, like the dad of my friend, of my neighbor, grabbed the dog and then just left it somewhere. Like just drove around, just took it off the car. So I kind of felt guilty about that.
Oh,
Even though,
that's so
it wasn't my
sad.
choice.
Yeah. Thank you for watching another episode of Legal Lounge. If you enjoyed this episode, you can always give our office a call to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with one of our team members. Check the description below and give us a call today. Uber brake slam. Your Uber driver rear ends a car while texting and you get whiplash. Do you sue or no? Hell yeah.
An Uber is already sketchy to begin with, I feel like, like, with the drivers, like, it's just the whole concept is crazy. I feel like if people in the early 2000s that aren't living anymore found out that we were doing that, like, it's nutso. Even taxis in New York, you know?
The fact that that's still a thing is crazy, but I think it's the ideal of, like, taxi in New York, like, you wanna experience it, you
But
know?
really, like, you don't see any other cars. It's that or, like, big black SUVs, and clearly those are for, like, people that can they're either owning those for themselves or it's, like, some
It's like
type
the
The
of
mate
mayor of
chauffeur probably.
like the
yeah,
mayor of the city.
celebrities, something like that, but other
Yeah.
than that, it is all taxis or Ubers. That's it.
Dang.
Or walking.
'Cause,
That's
like,
it.
why own the car at that point?
Mm-mm.
'Cause you can't even store it.
No.
You have a subway, so
Yeah, it's literally just taxis, SUVs, or Uber.
it's a relatively small city, right?
Yeah, it's an island, if you think about it. You're on, one side is the New Jersey side, and then the other side is, like, Brooklyn, where you have to cross over. So, yeah, your Manhattan's, like, right in the middle. And Subway, it's $2.50.
So you can mostly walk it. If not, you can take a
Mhm.
train,
Or
be
Subway.
close, and then you
Everyone's
just
just on
walk
the Subway.
two
Was the
blocks.
train clean?
Yeah, inside, I think people yeah, there's no trash anywhere. Because people have to sit and stand. So there's nothing, like, left on it.
I'm actually
I
surprised.
don't
I
know.
always imagine us to be, like, dirty.
Yeah, like, if you take, like, a wet wipe to it, I'm sure
Yeah.
yeah, but, I never really sit there's so many handlebars and everything.
Oh, those are
They
dirty.
don't allow dogs in there anymore. It has to be in a backpack or a bag. There's dogs on there, but they have to, like they can't be sitting or on the floor. But, other than that, it's pretty clean.
Really?
Yeah,
Was
outside
the
the
seat made out
subway.
of plastic or
Yeah, like a normal like one of those like a downtown bus, like those, plastic seats, it's just benches all the way down, and then people will just be standing in the middle and stuff. Outside the subway, when you hop off, is, like, another story. Like, underground rats, like, the size of dogs, like, it's scary. Yeah, and then obviously, because there's no sun down there, so some homeless people will just stay down
app?
there. Yeah, stay
Just
down there.
chill. Is it smelly
Yeah, it smells.
like the city? Like
Just,
the
like, a lot
subway?
of different stuff
Yeah, like
out on every
a little
corner.
bit of
A little bit of
Sewage,
pizza, a
probably.
little bit
sewage,
of
pizza, and then
meat, pizza, yeah,
homeless man.
yeah, it's an acquired smell for sure. I was constantly spraying perfume on, I'm like, "I feel nasty."
So, okay, so back to the Uber thing. You say you sue if you get
Yes.
a whiplash? Yes, go ahead and sue. Uber provides insurance for passengers. What? One Texas passenger won $175,000 in a similar Uber crash. Uber's liability insurance can cover up to 1 million depending on severity. Hmm,
Nice.
I didn't
And he
know
was
that.
texting and driving, so he should get sued.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you seen that? I'm sure it was pretty famous. That one lady sued Uber because the Uber denied riding her because she was a little overweight.
Oh my god,
Is
no.
that classified as No, because there's no
Technically, it is,
no why?
because they
By
can't do
weight?
that by flying. You have to, like
But there's no
So there's a arg
weight
okay, wait, hold
protection.
on. So just to kinda give you context for everybody. So this happened, earlier this year, I think? So this lady, she was, trying to go to the airport. She needed to go to the airport. She's overweight. And she ordered an Uber, and the guy that showed up to go pick her up, like a relatively smaller, just a regular sedan car, and he denied giving her a ride because he thought that she was at risk to damaging his car.
I think I saw the video.
Right, so she sued Uber because he denied service to her. I don't know the outcome. Can you look it up real quick? I don't know what happened with that
But
outcome.
this wasn't like, okay, if it's race, religion, sexuality, then yes. You can
But what about the
well,
whole
I don't think weight
you can deny service?
yeah, you can deny service.
Right.
But I don't
So,
think weight is like protected. You understand?
okay,
He should have been polite and said
But
any
what
other
if
reason.
but what if she damaged the car? What is he gonna do? You know, you're using your own property to offer services. I feel like at some point I think he can deny.
Yeah, you can deny people for your own reason. Um,
If it's not
I mean, it's your car. It's kind of like we're going tit for tat. I'm signing up for this service. I'm giving my car up for other random people. If it doesn't live up to my, half of my standards and half of Uber's, I'm not going to allow you to. Yeah, he can deny it. So I don't think she got anything out of it.
I think Uber did, like, side with him, if I'm not mistaken, but it was this whole ordeal that went viral, him arguing with her, and she's
Mhm.
like, "I need to
I saw
go.
the
I need
video.
to be at the
But
airport."
imagine, dude, losing your flight in your plane just because the
Right,
Uber said no.
right.
I'd be pissed. Feel like
But then again, like, is that her fault for not thinking about because you're relying on other people to transport you. So it should have been up to you as to how to get yourself there. It's not necessarily Uber's fault. Just like if Uber was stuck in traffic and he couldn't get there on time, is that her fault or is that Uber?
yeah.
You
Yeah,
know?
she tried to sue for discrimination, but it just went to like become a lawsuit and there was nothing more after it. I think they denied it.
Yeah. I don't think she got anything. And
Makes
people
sense.
and people in the comments were like, "Man, I would
Man, I'd
not
be pissed,
I would
man.
not ride you either."
Uber driver call me
They're weird.
fat.
I mean, I don't think I've ever seen an
Well, in
overweight person
flights,
like that on a flight.
you have to purchase 2 seats.
Yeah. And you can't sue anybody for that because they physically can't fit in one.
Right.
So,
Right.
yep.
Because you're gonna have you will take up 2 seats, so they make you purchase 2 tickets. Thank you for watching another episode of Legal Lounge. If you enjoyed this episode, you can always give our office a call to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with one of our team members. Check the description below and give us a call today.